Hey guys, and welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television.
Today we're going to be showing you cloning, which is where we can overlay two shots of the same room to make it appear as if there are two of us in this room. In fact, Landon is somewhere in this room right here, but actually I'm at my house in front of a green screen, and he is at his house in front of nothing. See?
When you use this effect, you can show that through editing magic, there are two of you in the same room.
Just like this!
There are actually two ways of doing this. One is just cropping two clips of the same room, and the other uses a green screen and is a little more complicated.
Option 1, the room split. To create this effect, we take two clips from the same camera shot and angle, and then we put them over each other to create the cloning effect. First, we record two shots from the same camera, at the same angle, and at roughly the same length. One of them I'm on the right side of the room, and the other I am on the left. The key is that nobody overlaps, because this will cut off parts of you and make it look pretty weird. Next, we want to go into WeVideo and import the clips, and put one on video track 1 and the other on video track 2. After that, we double click on the video track 2 or whatever is your topmost track, and then we are greeted with this screen. We want to click on the second tab, the one that looks like the four rulers overlapping. Once you are on this screen, you will be good to start cropping. Next, use the sliders on the top to crop the video so that the top and bottom videos can be seen together. If your subject is on the left, only use the right slider, but if your subject is on the right, only use the left slider. After you hit save changes in the video, and if the one video looks a little brighter or darker than the other, use the adjustment tabs by double clicking on one of the clips and then going to adjustments and brightening or darkening the clip until they are about even. Your final product should look like this.
Option 2, the green screen overlay. Another way you can do this is by having one person in the actual room you want to have as your background, and another/multiple persons in a green screen room. First, we get two clips, one from an actual room and one from a green screen room. Now we go into WeVideo, import it, and put the green screen video on the topmost video track. It will not work if it is anywhere else. And then the one we want as the background of the bottom-most track. If you have multiple green screen videos, put them in between the top and bottom tracks. Now we want to make all the clips with a green screen background chroma keyed/green screened. If you do not know how to do this, go watch WBAM's various tutorials on how to do this. Now that all the clips with a green background have transparent backgrounds, we can use the resizing module to put it in the place we want. If the legs of your subject are cut off, put it on the bottom of the frame. Since I am on a couch in this clip, I can put me anywhere, so I'm not going to put me right here. And now me and Landon are in the same room, but not.